Checking your account balance on Unreal Engine is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Unreal Engine website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Account section. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Access billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ASRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. View account balance. Within the billing section, you should see your current account balance displayed prominently. This will show any available credits or charges. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, ensure you log out of your account to protect your information. Click on the Logout option, usually found in the same area as your account settings. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Unreal Engine. Make sure to keep your account information secure and revisit regularly for updates.